G'day, it's Scott Gibbons and I'm here with Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. I've got Jacqueline Bold with me and Jacqueline's going to tell us what happens if there's an insurance claim. If somebody unfortunately has an insurance claim, whether it be damage or whether it be from the weather, whatever happens, what's the system?
It's actually pretty straightforward, but some people get a bit lost in the insurance process, so we make it nice and easy, and here's all you have to do. Step one, if you sustain damage, either you've had accident damage, someone's run into you, or as you said, the weather. So you might have left your caravan awning open at the caravan park, you've gone into the local shops, the wind's ripped through. Yeah, we've all seen that happen, things get bent and broken, or hail damage. We just went through those hailstorms.
Yeah.
First thing you're going to do is ring your insurance company. Let them know that you've sustained damage. They're going to give you a claim number. You're also going to tell them that you want to come to Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. That works for them. You're then going to give me a phone call. We're going to book you in to get the assessment done and do all the quoting for the insurance company, all the photos they require. So that's nice and quick and easy for you. We can get that done. We will send that all off to the insurance company. We'll deal with the assessor for you.
Really?
Yep. So if the assessor's got questions, they'll ring us. We'll go through everything with them. As you know, make it again as easy as possible as we can. Once the approval comes through, we'll ring the customer back, book a time to get the repairs done, bring it in, get it repaired, get them back on their way.
So to get the repairs done, you've got, as I understand it, every trade here.
We do.
So if people need electrical, 240 or 12 volt,
12 volt.
or they need fabrication done,
Correct.
what else do you do?
We've got the mechanics, we've got the automotive bodybuilders, as you said, we've got the auto electricians, the plumbers, the electricians, whether it's be panel repairs, roof repairs, hail damage, welding, metal repairs because metal's been buckled in and needs to be brought back or pieces of metal replaced, be it the mechanical side, so hubs and bearings and lights smashed
awnings,
up.
Whatever it be.
Awnings are big in insurance. A lot of people forget to put them in and then sustain damage in storms.
And it's all done here?
All done here.
On the one spot?
In the one spot.
Fabulous. There you go. So if you need an insurance claim, and I hope you don't, but if you do have need to get insurance work fixed up, you've got to come to Bold. Bold Trailer Caravan Repair Centre, Bold TCRC.com.au, Bold TCRC.com.au. Thanks, Jacqueline.
Thanks, Scott.